Hello, welcome to RAMAS CAFE. Today we are going to review a policy from SBI General Health Insurance Policy. It's called AAROGYA Plus. So what are all the major points? So the major point is it's a very basic plan for starter who are young people, lesser income and no coverage, health coverage, those kind of people it will be useful. And it's very cheap and less expensive policy. And premiums are fixed, whereas in normal health insurance, as per the advancement of age, the premiums will change. So here it is a fixed premium, you enter and you continue, right? And no other company, I believe, is affording this, is offering this, right? And in terms of claims, like there are no sublimit and there are no room rent sublimit, so they can upgrade your rooms when you are in hospital. And no co-pays. And copay is some part you have to pay on the bill, so that is not there. And there are 15,000 network hospitals, and you have your own claim network. SBI is having a own claim network from June, so your claims will be faster. And it is backed by a big brand called SBI, so you can understand the offering. And there are two things which are not covered because of the low premium. So no claim bonus is not available and no refill benefits are available. So these are all the 2 points which are not covered here. So now, if you take, anybody can take, any individual family can take, and this till 55 years of age, no medical test. There will be a call and you explain what all the things. And there are 3 tenures, 1, 2, 3, and 2 and 3 tenures is having a discount. And there are 3 kinds of sum assured, like 1, 2, 3, right? So that you can take care. And in terms of benefit, like there are additional benefits. There is something called domiciliary hospitalization, like it is. The doctor says you be in house because your disease is very contagious. You are a very sick patient, something like that. Okay, so there are those kind of situations. This is very useful. And modern treatments, it covers HIV, AIDS, it covers genetic disorders, it covers internal congenital diseases, it covers mental illness, and Ayush, Ayurveda, Yoga, Unani, Siddha, and homeopathy. So all these benefits are being covered here. And in terms of affordability, this is a very major point we have to discuss. If you are a family 40 plus age, if you are taking policy elsewhere, like it will be 20,000 plus. Okay. Here it is, if you take as a family floater, you pay only 10,502. Whereas if you want additional sums, you can go for a policy called top up. Maybe you can top up this additional product on top of this. So you can top up so that you get an additional sum. So put together, this is a very cost-effective solution. Okay, family floater in AAROGYA Plus is a very cost-effective solution. Same thing is applicable for senior citizens. If you are below 65, if you take the family floater for husband and wife, you can manage a cost within 10,502. And again, if you want additional sum assured, like you sum needed, you go for a top up. Okay. Whereas if you go elsewhere, the total family floater will cost you around 30,000 plus. So those things you have to think of when you are taking a policy. So anybody can buy this policy up to 65, and family is 2 plus 2. Like who are all family that is being given here. Okay. So this is who can take this. And what is not basically covered is like hospital admission is a must. And sometimes it can be daycare, like less than 24 hours and things like that. And treatment from pre-existing diseases. It is not covered till 48 months. And first 30 days, like normally not covered, any disease is not covered. And if it is accident, I think it is covered from day one, like after issue of policy. And 1 year waiting period for named ailments. There are some specific ailments for like cataract, kidney stone, thyroid and those things. That is a list basically. Now, normally other companies will do in 2 years. Here it is done in 1 year. So that is a big advantage. So you can use this. And if you are taking treatment outside India, normally it is not covered. So here also it is not covered. So basically, if you want to say in a nutshell, what are all these policies having a very cheap premium, fixed premium for starters who are not having policies, insurance coverage. So those kind of people, and as I was discussing little earlier, this family floater concept for middle-aged people and senior citizens. So that is a very nice product from SBI called Arogya Plus. So go and enjoy, get yourself health covered. Have a nice day. Thanks for watching.